I'll be showing something different today. For information, I've been editing videos on Adobe Premiere Pro for almost a year now. And I've learned a lot from the internet, especially on YouTube. So just for information, I'm not an expert here. Just that I would like to share what I learned from the internet, and especially for all the new content creators out there who are still learning. And I hope these tricks will actually help on your video editing with Adobe Premiere Pro. One of the most headache steps on editing videos is to pick the right background music. Even though you have the right background music that you want, the length may not fit into your videos. Example, you have a music that only have 1 minute length, but your video is like 3 minutes. So this trick will actually help you to do audio remix to make it as in like one piece of music. And beside that, I'll be showing you on how to adjust the audio keyframe to match your voice, so that you just need 3 clicks, then you have a perfect background music without interrupt your voice over. This is actually quite easy, and I would say a lazy method to adjust the audio keyframe. Some of you may like it, some of you may not. I've been using for quite some time now, and I find it quite useful. So let's dive into it. So firstly, I have to launch Adobe Premiere Pro here. As you can see on my Adobe Premiere Pro, I have actually prepared a project. This is the new latest video that I made, the Orbis F1 RGB unboxings and reviews, and I've do all the cuttings and also all the voiceover. So as you can see here, there are no background music, and I have chosen one of the background music called Moods by Sakura Hertz. As you can see here, it's only playing 1 minute 48 seconds, and my total videos is almost 4 minutes. So how I can actually do a remix of these videos to make it match 4 minutes. So what I need to do now is I'll just click on the music that I want, right click, and edit in Adobe Audition. Then I click on click. So it will launch the Adobe Audition. So this is how the Adobe Auditions look like. So first thing first, you need to create a new multi-track session, or you can press Ctrl N. Then you just name it loop, because I'll be looping the audio so it match become 4 minutes. Then I press OK. Then on the left side, you see the music that you have added onto Adobe Audition. Just drag and drop onto the editors here. And then under the properties, you see remix. Tap on remix and enable remix. So it will analyze the clips and allow you to do editing on the audio clips. So as you can see, the target duration here is showing 1 minute 48 seconds. And I can actually enable it by changing to 4 minutes. And I press enter. Okay, now the music has become 3 minutes 57 seconds. It's very close with the music file that I need. So if you want to see what's the changes like, okay, on this file, right, you see some zigzag line. This is the part where the music was remixed to make it match. So the matching is remarkable. It's like magic. You will not notice the cuttings and joinings music here. So see, it just passed the zigzag line. The music is perfect. So the next thing is you just need to export this audio to the Adobe Premiere Pro to continue with your video editing. So what you need to do next is just press File, Export, Export to Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, now come back to the Adobe Premiere Pro. You see there's a request of asking copy Adobe Audition track. You just press OK as a new audio track. It should shown here. You just add it into your timeline. Here on the project file, you see it becomes 3 minutes 57 seconds audio, and the audio now has extended to 3 minutes 57. Okay, so if you play it back, of course you will not have any issue, but if you have a voiceover or you are talking on the videos, you don't want the audio to overlap what you are saying. Let me drag it up. You can do these tricks. Go to Essential Sound. If you can't find the Essential Sound, you just go to Windows, then Essential Sound. Once you click on Essential Sound, you see here dialogue music. So now what you need to do is you need to identify which file is dialogue and which file is music. So the videos and the voiceover definitely is the dialogue. All you need to do is just drag the part that you want it to become a dialogue. You press dialogue, and then tap on music as music. What you need to do now is you just click on ducking. What ducking do here is it will actually recognize the voice or the music on the dialogue. Whenever it detects a signal from the dialogues, it will actually adjust the volume down so you will not overlap or interrupt your video file. So when you enable ducking, I will advise you to reduce the volume level to maybe -10, since it's a background music, so you will not want to have it too loud. So once done, what you need to do next is just click on Generate Keyframe. If you notice here, the keyframe has been generated based on the audio dialogues that you have selected on top. If you notice here, the audio has been reduced once it recognizes as audio signals coming from the dialogues. So let's play and see. Hi there, today we'll be unboxing and review an AI. Okay, so let's try further down. Example, this part where I still talking. I will need to stick the controller above the drive bay. Normally they will install it on the rear of the back casing. Here's how the TechWay Orbis F1 ARGB in action. The audio will actually pump it up again. So this trick is very useful, and it actually helps me to save a lot of times on remixing the audios, and at the same time do the audio keyframes adjustment. So hope this video helps. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channels if you haven't do so, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'm Joshua Wong. See you guys in the next one.